me, David Lee from Apex Animal. Got a little keyboard song for you. It's called Discover. It's about, you'll understand when you hear the words. I'm from Apex Animal in Newcastle, Delaware. Here we go. We got gangs running wild in the city. They got sex and drugs for sale. Life ain't very pretty when you end up in jail. Times are hard, there ain't no jobs for someone like me. Step out of line and the sun won't shine. They might just make you bleed. And one thing you'll discover when they bring you to your knees, you can choose to love and end this hate. Say yeah if you agree. We got brothers killing brothers. They do their drive-bys in the street. What the hell do they kill for? I don't understand, I don't see. We all come from the same blood. Yes, there are different types, but one type is universal. So don't believe the hype. Times are hard, there ain't no jobs for someone like me. Step out of line and the sun won't shine. They might just make you bleed. One thing you'll discover, and it chills me to the bone. Someday when they die, they're gonna do it all alone. Hey, they still fight in the Middle East since before Moses parted the Red Sea. Why can't they get it together? Why can't they live in peace? You got drug cartels in Mexico throwing dead bodies in the street. You got police in Brazil killing citizens. Why should this be? Times are hard, there ain't no jobs for someone like me. Step out of line and the sun won't shine. They might just make you bleed. One thing you'll discover when they bring you to your knees, you can choose to love and end this hate. Say yeah if you agree. Yeah, I always loved sex and drugs. I always had a real good time. What the fuck is wrong with them? How did they get so out of line? Some brothers abuse their women. What goes through their mind? If they can't handle the partying, why don't they fucking just leave it behind? All times are hard, there ain't no jobs for someone like me. Step out of line and the sun won't shine. They might just make you bleed. One thing you'll discover when they bring you to your knees, choose to love and end this hate. Say yeah if you agree. Yeah, there are crazy people out there. They're just fucking insane. They glorify used to